In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your domain name to your capture page, okay? So if you watch the first video, I added the domain name, the main domain name to the sales page. But what you want to do is add the main domain name to a capture page where the emails go in, okay? So here is the landing page. Here is the page where you have all the capture pages that you decide which one to go for. So I'm just going to show you my system A. This is my system A, okay? So here is my system A, and this is capture page number 1. And you want to go to your funnel setting, and you want to change the funnel domain. And I'm going to use the 6-figure mentor. I've already changed it so that I can use this. Okay, so the 6-figure mentor is here, and I can take away these numbers now. And 6-figure mentor is hosted on this domain name. So I'm just going to click view funnel step. And you can see that if anybody clicks on the 6-figure mentor, this is where they're going to land. So anyone who has this link, or anywhere I have shared this link on TikTok or social media, if they land on that link, this is where they will land. They will land on this capture page. So this is the first step, okay? And then you have your thank you page. So remember, thank you page. So remember that when we had our old site on how to change it, you can do thank you page here. Well, I haven't edited my previous thank you page, so I'm just going to do thank you, and I'm just going to do 2 just to make it different from the previous one, because I haven't edited the previous one. And then I'm going to do the video page, take away this number, and I'm going to do video 2. Okay, and then that will keep the video page. So if I click on the funnel step, you can see that the video page, this is the video page. So we get a video that we're supposed to be adding here, right? And I'll be doing that later. I haven't done that step yet. Change the video. Okay. So, so here in the video page, I'm sure there's instruction within the training to tell you how to change your link. It will be exactly like what we did previously. You're going to change your link to the sales page, but do follow the steps. If I find anything that needs me doing a video, I will do a video just to help you understand what to do. Okay. So I think that the first thing is to change your funnel domain page, which you call your capture page. Yeah, capture page or squeeze page, so that it is hosted on your domain. You don't have to buy a domain name. Okay, you don't have to buy a new domain name if you have one already. This is for everyone who's been signed up previously. You don't have to buy a new one unless you want to buy a new one. And then you can just host your capture page on the new one. And your sales page can be hosted. I'm just going to show you what I did to my sales page, so you can see capture page. So this is my sales page. I just called it 900 men. I could also change it and just call it sales page. Okay. So this is what is hosting all the information. And then when you edit, I haven't reached that stage yet, but I'm believing that when you edit the page, for each of the buttons, you're going to add all the forms here, all these forms here, you're going to add it on each of the buttons. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to help, happy to answer your question. But this should be easy. But if it's not, just let me know, okay?